Welcome to the Accounts training video for how to manage categories, folders and general client directories. In the Browse page, the left-hand column is the panel for your main categories. In your case, it's most likely going to be client names or company names. So to create a new category, log in as the administrator and simply click the Add Category button. It will load the new category into the system. To name this category, just single click in the top blue bar to make the name editable. So in this case, I'm going to call it the Jones Family Trust. By clicking outside the editable area, the name is automatically saved and renames the category in the left-hand column. When you create a new category, it also automatically creates your first folder. So let's call this folder the Dropbox. Just double-click on the new folder text to make it editable. To add another folder, on the right, click Add Folder and it will add another folder underneath the Dropbox. Let's call this Monthly Reports. So you can see that a folder structure is developing under this Jones Family Trust section. So how do I give members of the Jones Family Trust access to the system? We do this on a folder by folder basis. Just click on the folder you want to give access to, click Info, then Permissions. Under Permissions, you can quickly see which group can do what within this folder. So at the moment, obviously only the administrator can do everything, and everyone has no access, which is really good. In most instances, you will only want to give a particular group access to this folder. Only in special circumstances will you want to give the Everyone group access, because this would allow all clients, suppliers and staff visibility to this folder. Now, I created a group earlier called the Jones Family Trust Group, and you'll see that they appear in this list. So by using these drop-downs, I can give the Jones Family Trust Group access so that they can view, download files. I could also give them upload rights, so if they need to grab some large files, maybe a MyOp data file or a file from your client, they can just set the drop-down to view, edit and upload, which means when I log in, they'll be able to see this folder and have the upload functionality available to them. I could also give them administrator rights, but be very careful as to who you allocate these rights to. Now that's set up, we can do the same with the monthly reports folder, but maybe you don't want the Jones Family Trust Group to be able to upload files to this directory. This may be just an area where they can log into and download their own monthly reports from you. Same action as before, click on Info, then Permissions, click the green button, Add Folder Permission, then choose the Jones Family Trust and give them view access only. And that's how to manage categories and folders.